Hi, I'm Garner from EXP, and today you find me outside this beautiful 4-bed detached property with double garage in Brownhills. It's currently on the market for offers over 550,000. As you walk in through those double doors there, you've got a nice grand entrance hall leading off to a good sized lounge and dining room, and then a study, WC, and then a nice good size family kitchen area to the rear with utility separate as well. Going upstairs, we've got the master bedroom, which has got walk-in dressing area and ensuite. Bedroom 2 has got its own ensuite as well. The family bathroom has been refurbished to a high standard, and all 4 of the bedrooms are double bedrooms. Going out into the rear garden, you've got a good sized space for the family, and there's a bar there as well. So it's going to be great for entertaining in those summer nights with family or friends, having a barbecue, coming out of that family room and down into the bar area at the rear of the garden. So let's get you around the property and show you exactly what it's like on the inside. Follow me. Okay, so you've seen around the property, and I really do hope you agree that it is a beautiful 4-bed detached property located in Brownhills. Now, we're not too far away from Tin Man Island, so you've got really good access going into Pelsall, Walsall, Cannock, Rugeley, Stafford, and you're not too far away from the M6 motorway either. You're also very close to Chasewater Park and Sutton Park, so it's ideal if you want to take the family, the pets out and just go for a stroll, or maybe even visit some of the local pubs and restaurants around there. So if you are interested in this property, please get in contact with me. You can call me on 077 89 647 226, or you can email me at mark.garner@exp.uk.com, or reach out to me on any of the social media channels that you found this video on. Well, that's it for me now, and I think I'm going to enjoy myself a little drink from the bar. Thanks.